In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images with Nano Banana 2 in Gemini. So if you want to create AI images quickly using Nano Banana 2 inside Google Gemini, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. So to go to Google Gemini, make sure you log into your Gmail account. So to start, click on Google Apps button. Now in here, choose Gemini, tap on it. You can also go to gemini.google.com. Once you're inside the main screen, look for the input box that says Ask Gemini. So this is the prompt box. Now click on the Tools button just below the prompt field. Now in here, so you have lots of options: create image, canvas, deep research, create video, etc. What you need to do is to select create image. Now as soon as you click it, Gemini will switch into image generation mode. So you'll now see a new input field that says describe your image. Now at the bottom right, you'll notice a model select. Now at the bottom right, you'll notice a model selector. So click on the drop down arrow. Here you have fast, thinking, or pro. So for most users, fast works perfectly for generating images quickly. You have pro. So pro can give higher quality results if you have access. You have thinking for complex problems. So choose a model that you want. And now it's time to generate your image. So in the prompt box, type a detailed description of what you want. For example, a cinematic portrait of a woman with neon lights, ultra realistic 4K, and sharp focus. So I just pasted that in. And what you need to do is to click on submit. So Gemini will now generate your image using its built-in AI model, so which includes Nano Banana 2 capabilities. So just wait for a few seconds. Now, after a few seconds, your image will appear on the screen. So from here, you can click the download button. So to download the full size, you can adjust your prompt to improve results or generate more variations. So if you want better results, try adding details like lighting, soft lighting, or dramatic lighting, style, anime, photorealistic, or digital art, and the quality 4K, ultra detailed, or cinematic. And that's basically it. You've successfully generated an AI image in Google Gemini using its latest built in model system. And that's it. Thanks for watching.